So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you've been using Zotero for your research and now you know it's an amazing tool, but there are few hidden gems that can make your experience even better. So today I'm going to share my top 5 Zotero tips and tricks to help you become a Zotero Pro. So let's dive in. So the first thing, if you've already installed your Zotero, there's a video that I've already done on how to install Zotero, how to install the Zotero plugins, and also the Zotero connector to your browser, and to start working with your Zotero in citing, in doing in-text citation, and also doing your references automatically. So here I will also share some tips on how you can make your work more efficient in Zotero. So you will go ahead and run your Zotero app on your Microsoft Word. Make sure the app is running before you start doing anything. So my app is already opened. So it's down here. This is the books that are, or the journals that I've already used to cite my work. So let's say, for example, I want to cite this first statement. I'll just highlight it, copy, then go to my browser. Then on my browser, I can go ahead and click on or search Google Scholar on Google Scholar. Then once Google Scholar pops up, I can go ahead and put there the text and search the text. Now, these are the books or the journals, the papers that will appear here. These are the manuscript. I'll customize my range. So let's say, for example, I want my range to be within 5 years old. Then I can go ahead and click on one of these manuscript or journals. Then I will now save that document to my Microsoft Word. Then from there, I can go to Microsoft Word, then click on Zotero, then click Add Citation. Then I can go ahead and pick the type of, let's say, for example, I'm using APA format. I'll click on that. Then it will automatically appear in my document. Then once it appears there, I just click on this book, then click enter. Now my article is here and it's cited, and now I want to go ahead and also do what we call put the references there. So I will just write there the references. Then I'll click down here. Now the trick comes here where you just click on add bibliography. Then the book that you've cited or the journal will appear down here automatically. Then yeah, like that. Then this is the thing. Now the trick that I want to show you is, let's say for example you've submitted your article to the journal and they want you to change this citation from APA to other citation. Let's say for example that has 1, 2, 3 and all that. So you go back and click on document preferences. Then you can go ahead and select. So let's say for example we want to work with this IEEE, you just click on it, then click OK. Once you click OK, Zotero will go ahead and automatically update the information that you've already cited in your work. So even if you're working with a very long report or a thesis, it will go ahead and update that. Then let's say, for example, you want to work with a type of APA format, but not the 7th edition or the 7th edition annotated bibliography. For you to get that, there's another trick. You click on Manage Styles, then go to Get Additional Styles. Then here now you can go ahead and search. So let's say, for example, I want to type here APA format. So you will go ahead and in that title search, type the APA format. Then it will go ahead and start loading the APA formats present on online. So you can see you have so many of them. You have the 6th edition. So let's say, for example, your supervisor have told you to work with the 6th edition. Let's say this is the Canada. You also have the France, the issue number. You have the one that has the DOI. You have so many of them here. You have the Japan Journal of Industrial and Applied. Now you go ahead and search. So we want something like this. Once you click on it, it will be immediately added to your Zotero. Then you can go back click on the document preference again, then look for that. It is up here, no ampersand. Click on it, then click OK. Then it will also go ahead and update the information in your document. So you can see it, I've already updated that information. So every time you cite that, you can just come back and update. There's no need of you going back and also typing in manually or starting putting in manually the articles that you cited. So that is a very good trick that you can use. Then there's also this unlink your citations. There's also refresh your citations or insert a note in Zotero, insert a new note at the current cursor position. So you can just say, let's say, for example, here, my cursor is there, and then I click insert a new note. Then I can go ahead and get a book that I want to do. First, let's say, for example, I click on that, then I click enter. Then that information will be added there. So you see it's here, working paper or print, preprint and all that. So you just click undo to remove that. Those features. Then we go back to the app. You can see inside the app, there is this back to your library, Zotero, syncing up. So set up synchronization. Then you can also go ahead and click on it. You can also synchronize. You can put the username here and the password and also create the account if you have it and synchronize your Zotero app with your friends. You can also export information from your Zotero, cite information using these different citation styles. Go to advanced and you can customize your Zotero into different ways. And then you can also categorize your journals or the books that you're using. You can put them in alphabetical orders, starting from the first ones going upwards. You can even, I can say this one starts with numbers, they go to A, B, C, D, going like that downwards. So it depends on how you want to customize your Zotero and to make sure that you are working efficiently with it. And those are the top Zotero tips and tricks for researchers. I hope these tips helped you work smarter and more efficiently with Zotero. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more research tools and productivity tips. So, got any Zotero tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.